Below is the full, detailed method of manufacturing Coca-Cola in a factory, written clearly and step by step as used in industrial bottling plants. This is suitable for exams, projects, or technical understanding. Full method of manufacturing Coca-Cola in a factory. 1. Raw materials used. The main raw materials are treated water, sugar or high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, Coca-Cola concentrate, secret formula, carbon dioxide, CO2, food-grade acids, phosphoric acid, caffeine, caramel color, packaging materials, bottles, cans, caps. 2. Water treatment process. Water is the largest component and must be purified. Steps. Screening removes large particles. Sand filtration removes suspended solids. Activated carbon filtration removes chlorine, odor, and organic matter. Reverse osmosis removes dissolved salts and impurities. UV or ozone sterilization kills microorganisms. Result: highly purified water. 3. Sugar syrup preparation. Sugar is dissolved in hot treated water. The solution is filtered to remove impurities. The sugar concentration is carefully controlled. This produces simple syrup. 4. Syrup mixing, finished syrup. Coca-Cola concentrate is added to the sugar syrup. Phosphoric acid, caffeine, and caramel color are mixed. Mixing is done in stainless steel tanks. Temperature and ratio are precisely controlled. This creates the finished Coca-Cola syrup. 5. Beverage mixing. Finished syrup is mixed with treated water in exact proportions. Mixing is done in automated blending units. Brix sugar level and pH are constantly monitored. 6. Carbonation. The beverage is chilled to improve CO2 absorption.